Hey, I'm Zach Smith with A to Z Quality Fencing. Now, some people have asked me what the difference between the US Hammer is compared to some of these other post pounders on the market. Some of the main features that I like about this unit is the extensions on here. So it's pretty easy to change out. They have these nice threaded pieces that go in. It's just on threads, but now with the way that they have it, I just change out which handles I want. And these are metal handles. They're nice and durable compared to some of the other ones where you have to mess with the throttle cable, and that led to issues along with them just not being as durable. One of the other things that I didn't like about some of the other units is the throttle cable. It was just tightened together with these two bolts. US Hammer decided to put a spring in there so that nut doesn't come loose anymore, so you don't have to mess with the throttle cable at all with the hand, and it just makes it easier to use. The other thing I really like about this is the collar is bolted on like this versus going through it on the side. Other than that, it's a pretty common post pounder. It's got a lot of power. I like the slick design, and I love the cart that we got with it. And yeah,